Man, I can't remember what the difference is between R-selected and K-selected species. I need this, man. I need this.
I think I remember Mr. G saying that K-selected species were the ones that abandoned their offspring or something like that.
If you say so.
You couldn't be more wrong, man. Come on. K-selected species are the exact opposite.
Man, really?
I knew you were wrong.
Hey, think about it like this. K stands for kind, so the parent is kind to the offspring and raises them. It actually refers to carrying capacity. It's all about the difference in reproduction strategies.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. But then does that mean R-selected species just abandon their offspring?
In a way they do, but there's also a lot more depth about the reproduction strategies. These population dynamics are crucial as they have important implications for population growth, community structure, and evolutionary adaptations.
Man, how do you remember all this?
I like to review my notes, but I also refresh with the end-of-day reviews that Gillette makes.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
I think I remember. K-selected species live in stable environments and tend to have longer lifespans but fewer offspring. They also tend to maintain their population size at or near the carrying capacity of their environment. They exhibit a low population growth and become relatively stable.
Spot on, man. Humans, whales, and elephants are all examples of K-selected species.
So in contrast, R-selected species or reproduction-selected species tend to live in unstable environments characterized by frequent disturbances and have shorter lifespans but higher reproductive rates and little parental investment, meaning that these R-selected species have high population growth rates that often exceed the carrying capacity of the environment.
Exactly, like insects, rodents, and some species of fish. Even plants and eggs are also capable of R-selected and K-selected reproduction strategies. That's not all, though. Another important difference is the selection pressure that influences the population. K-selected species are subject to density-dependent selection, which
means that their reproductive success is influenced by the size of their population. And as their population reaches carrying capacity, there is a competition for resources, and as the number of offspring produced decreases.
This ensures that the population size stays consistent. R-selected species, on the other hand, are subject to density-independent selection, so environmental factors such as temperature, rainfall, and natural disasters all affect the population. Take a look at this graph, the survivorship curve. Can you point out which one is R-selected and which one is K-selected?
I think, no. Maybe, no, I can't be right. Wait, I got it.
So which one is it?
Well, look at the percentage of the organism surviving on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. So type 3 has to be the selected species because the K-selected species, the R selected. The R selected species, because as you can see at the young age,
Keep going. No, that's not keep going.
there are the high number of organisms, but very quickly.
Keep it together. Stop it. Okay, we got it.
As time goes on, the percent plummets.
Wait, if there's only R and K, then why are there 3 types being shown?
Well, this is a graph that represents the number of individual organisms surviving at different ages in a population. Type 1 curve represents populations in which most individuals survive to old age, and this is typically seen with K-selected species. Type 2 curve represents populations in which the rate of mortality is consistent at all ages, like birds and reptiles, because the survival of these individuals does not depend on the age and number of their competitors and allows them to survive despite fluctuating environmental conditions.
Okay, so understanding these differences is crucial for predicting how populations of different species will respond to changes in their environment and for developing effective conservation and management strategies.
Yeah, you guys got this.
Scene. bow, bam, bam, bow, bow,
Yo,
bow, bow,
in the
bow,
wild,
bow,
there's two types.
bow,
R
bam,
selected
bow,
or K
bow,
selected.
bow,
Which
bam,
one's
bow,
right? R selected species.
bow,
They breathe like
bow,
crazy. Lots of offspring that do make it sound hazy.
bow, bam, bow, bow, bow,
K
bam,
selected
bam,
species,
bow,
bro. They
bow,
take
bow,
it
bow,
slow.
bow,
Fewer
bow,
offspring
bam,
than them,
bow,
bro. Longer life and more parental care. K selected species, they'll always be there. Nature's game is tough. It's survival of the fittest. Some will thrive, some will perish. It's just nature's business.